Hi! So ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Nightmare Files. Clap, clap. So, let's press play. New game. Ang ingay. October 8th, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house-sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided to sign up. Okay, so nag-sign up ako sa house-sitting job. Kasi wala akong pera. Okay, continue. Bakit ang graphics? Bakit ganito? Find Maxim's house. Sino ka? Oh, the frick I am. Nalagay siya newspaper, oh. Hello? You, excuse me, I'm trying to find a house on this street. Could you help me out? Sure, which house are you looking for? Looking for Maxim's. Kilala mo ba yan? I'm looking for Maxim's place. He hired me to look after it while he's away. Okay, Maxim? Huh, that's interesting. Usually ask me to watch his place. I'm Marko Batovsky, by the way. Nice to meet you, Marco. Can you tell me where his house is? Of course, it's 2 houses down. Mine's right here. Our neighbor Savo in the middle, and then Maxim's place. You can't miss it. Okay, continue. Thanks, Marco. Appreciate it. Siya pala si Marco. Akala ko ako yun. No problem now. No problem. Now, if you'll excuse me, I just got my home automation system in the mail. I'm really excited. Okay. Oh, that sounds interesting. But that's it. Ang dami niyong kwento. But it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier. You know, controlling the lights, temperature, even the security system. Pretty cool stuff. Yes. Wow. That does sound convenient. Why did you decide to get it?
Bruh.
Dami nilang kwentuhan, di na lang. Partly because of the recent disappearance happening. Whoa. But mainly because our neighbor Savo got one and won't stop raving about it. We left for vacation right after installing it. Said it was built-in surveillance system and all. Yes, he wanted to keep an eye on things while he's away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for the direction, Marco. No problem. If you need anything, just a house away. Okay. Saan to house? Dito ba? Baka ito. To house, diba? There you go. Listen speed. Oh. Takot ako sa sulat na pwede. Napakalakas! Teka lang. Open the door. Open. Ay. Find the key in the backyard. Napakadilim. Nasaan muna yung backyard? Ito. Bato. Saan ko hanapin yun? Garage. Dito. Akasan natin unti. Masyado nang mina. Yep. That's right. Okay, I think they said they put in the flower pots. Susi, oh. Kitang-kita, oh. Inagaw mo pa. Takot may tunog na yun. Saan ba yun? Ito pala yun. Unlock the front door. Okay. Yung makita sa loob. Yo, ang dilim. Wala akong makita. Sarado yung pinto ng kusa. It did say read note on fridge. Hey, thanks for house sitting. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. Press Q to toggle the lights on off in any room. Once you're finished, help yourself to the food in the kitchen. Okay. Whoa, ay, clap. Okay, this is scary. I think I should quick tour, check all the rooms. Okay. Asan yung food? Gusto ko na food. Cereal. Gusto ko na food. Ayun. Ako to ng ano to. Okay, go. Balik muna natin. Ayoko muna. Ayan na. Wait, taas mo. Explore the rooms. Mga tayo. Nakakatakot. Baka biglang merong lumitaw. Kakatatot. Oh. Sarado ko yung ilaw. This is so creepy. Masa pa ba yung mga room? Ano to? Ano to? Sa taas. Ayaw ko magkaroon ng automatic na house surveillance thing. Do not enter sa bahay mo. Ano, wina-warningan mo sarili mo. Open. Should open. Ayaw mo mag-open. Sige, wala ka dyan. Hindi na ako pato. So, ayaw talaga ma-open ah. Automatic din. House survey. Ang ano. Hindi ko naisip yun. So, dapat pala. Lalabas agad tayo. Papasok agad tayo. This is so scary. Lumagana ba ito? How to kill... Yo! Kung nakita mo to, dapat umalis ka na agad eh. Talon. Tumalon ka dito. Anong oras na? How to kill house sitter. Ay, pwede ako ba to? Kobe. Nice. Buksan mo kasi. Saan tayo pag na-explore ko na to sa lahat, saka lalabas yung multo. May gaming setup pala siya eh. 300 jump scare ideas. Let's tackle the to-do list. Yung nga. First, gotta grab the mail. Can't leave the... So yung mail. Saan yung mail? Pwede ba to ano? Pwede ko na ba to tigilan? Nakainis ng automatic na ano na to. Email, di ba? Missing Chemical Jackson, 25 years old, 170 lbs, 5'9", 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Galing ng number mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Angas. Okay, missing house sitter. Meron lang nakalagay dun sa taas. How to kill a house sitter. Tapos andito ka pa din. Galing mo. Ang talino mo. Time to show plants love. Ayoko. Can't have them waiting for me. Are open. Asan yung pang plant? Ay, asan yung pang water? Ay, blender yan eh. May pang water ng plants. God the water. Ay, di kasi nagbabasa. The garage pala. Dito. Oh. Karim. Hindi ko siya ma-rotate. Pinapa-rotate sa akin pero hindi ko ma-rotate. Ganun pala. Nice. Sure na lahat meron. Di ba ito nakawala ng tubig? Angas ah. Water. I can hear someone walking behind me. Teka lang. Ngayon naglalakad yung ba naririnig? Akalan ko Orlix. Medyo ka na. Hindi mo eh. So, ano naman boss? Let's take the trash out from the kitchen. Oh, this bag heavy. Okay, tatapon. Maybe. Ano naman? Parang ka kasi. Push! Wait, stop! But you scared the flip out of me. No. I'm AJ Ristolino, Federal. Ba't kailangan mo gumanon? Pwede ka naman kumatok, di ba? I'm Agent Ristolino, Federal Investigation Bureau. I need to ask you a few questions. Sure. What's this about? There have been reports of disturbance in this area, disappearance, strange phenomena. We're conducting an investigation. Continue. Yeah, I've heard everything fine here. Everything's fine here, just taking out the trash. Are you sure? We've reason to believe there's more to this neighborhood than meets the eye. Gets yun. Sorry. Yeah, 100% just taking out the trash, you know. Alright, but keep your eyes and ear open. We need to get to the bottom of this. Continue. Of course, we'll do. Thanks, Inspector. No problem. Stay out of there. Stay safe out there. Okay. Scared me. Sandali na natapo to. Sorry! What have you done? Namatay ka doon! Inapon ko siya. Teka muna. Open, please. Pala yung sinasabi mo. Oo, ako yata yun. Oh, bro. Pasok. Iyo.
Help me! Help me!
Pasok. Paano kita ilalagay dyan? Open. Ah. Ito din, tapon mo rin to. Ano nangyari? Ba't ka ba kasi pinatay? Ikaw, dito ka na lang. Sa likod. Tago na nga kita dito. Hindi ako yan ha. Hindi ako pumatayin yan. Wala kayo ebidensya.
My name is Jeff.
Nakita ko siya. Mamma mia! Ayoko. Ano ba? Nakita mo na nga eh. Check mo pa. Shut up! Ingay mo. Kanina ka pa. Natakot na ako dito. Tumutulong ang gawarin mo. Wala na yung sign. Muna tayo, check. Wala. Open! Muna tayo pa dere. Pailingon. I could grab something to eat. Pusahan tayo. Pagkalabas ko dyan, andyan yan. Watch. Bakit? Ba't kailangan punta dun? Kung alam mo saan yung bed, nakalimutan ko eh.
You stupid.
Dito ko na lang kumain. Tayo magkamarte. Ako na kumain. Nakabukas yung pinto. Di ba automatic yan nagsasara? Ba't nakabukas ka? May bedroom. Tama. Di pala dito. Wala. Sarado siya. Sarado siya kusa. Sarado siya kusa. So, kusa siya nagsasarado. Ay no. Open the door, man. Sit. Ayan na ako. Hindi ako gamitin. Say remote! Say remote! Nakita ko siya. Paano pag-get up? How to get up? What was that? Hindi mo na kailangan i-figure out. Tara mo na. Um, Hintay na naman yung ilaw doon, oh. Nanahimik ako eh. Nanahimik ako. Gusto ko lang matulog eh. Tulog lang sana ako eh. Ah!
Hello there.
Takot sa'yo! Nakita kita doon. Bumalik ka na lang matulog. Rubber ducky, okay. Open! Open! Buksan mo! Ano figure out what's going on? Wag na! Hindi ka tumawag na police. Wag pala kasi ano. Arigo. Lakarin ko to. I kept running until I reached the nearest police station, but investigating the authorities found Marcus' lifeless body in his home. What? Meanwhile, Maxim's remains were found stuffed in a trash bag outside his house. A neighbor who has disappeared under similar circumstances. His remains have yet to be found. Despite the eerie scratches and walls, the harrowing account, no trace of the creature is ever discovered. Nakita ko nga eh. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind it. Hindi yun nakita yung pinatay ko? Good. Okay, so na yun na yan. Diba yan? Okay, yun na nga. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.